Every clean cotton bud begins far from the factory floor. Raw cotton begins its journey toward precision manufacturing.
From open fields to controlled industrial environments.
Not just cotton, structure matters too.
Every component enters with purpose. Quality control begins at the very first step. Only selected cotton moves forward. Inside, precision takes over. Raw materials cross the threshold. The transformation is about to begin. Before precision, purity is essential. Every unwanted particle is removed.
Even invisible risks are eliminated. Technology watches what humans can't. Uniformity begins at the fiber level. Clean material waits for its next command. Precision is always controlled. Clean isn't enough. Sterile is required. Stability follows sterilization.
Human judgment still matters.
Structure begins with controlled material flow. Heat and pressure shape precision.
Millions identical, none accidental.
Form is locked in by temperature.
Every millimeter is measured.
Only perfection proceeds.
Softness is engineered, not assumed. Alignment defines consistency. Two materials, one precise rhythm. The cotton bud is finally born. Speed meets absolute control. Balance is not optional. Uniformity is engineered. Cleanliness never pauses. Eyes that never blink.
Perfection keeps moving. Flow is carefully paced.
Order before approval. Nothing leaves without certainty.
Even weight defines comfort.
Strong enough to bend, never to break. Attachment is tested, not assumed.
Human eyes confirm machine judgment.
Invisible threats are revealed.
Clean to the final second.
Approval unlocks the next stage.
Order precedes protection.
Ready for containment.
The final chapter begins.
Verification moves into the lab.
Safety is scientifically confirmed. Cleared for the world. Protection sealed at the source.
Traceability built in.
Prepared for transport. Quantity meets order. Awaiting distribution. Ready to reach millions.
And this is how modern factories produce cotton buds from start to finish.